Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see a very interesting topic. The topic is about the geography data types. We know in Excel we have different data types, string, text, numbers, but today we are going to see a different data type which is called a geography data type. Before we start, I would like to add a note. The note is that to use this geography data type, you should have a Microsoft 365 subscription. And if you don't have a Microsoft 365 subscription, then you can only use this data type if you log in using your Microsoft account into the web version of Excel. So currently you can see that I'm using a web version of Excel, so I'm able to use this data type. So let's move to the video. Okay. So I have entered a few country names. Now I want to know their capitals. I want to know what is their population, and I want to know the different rates that can be used in those countries. Okay, maybe I also want to know what currency they use. So different categories of data I want to see for these countries. So what I can do is I select these countries and I go to data tab, and you see in data types you have these options: stocks, currencies, and if you click this drop down I will get geography. Now you see that it converts the cells with countries, regions, or cities like London to their current world statistics. So I'll select this. Okay. So you see now there is this card showing up, which means that all this data has been converted into a geography data type. Now, if I want to see what are the capitals, what are the largest cities in these countries, what is the currency, again I will select this data. And now when I select this data, I see this icon, this plus icon, which says we can insert more data related to these countries. I click this icon and I can select any of these data. So maybe I select, I want to see the capital. So I can select capital. So it gives me the capital. I'll title this as capital. Now I want to know what is the currency they use. So to know the currency, again I will select this, and currency code. I get the different currencies that are being used in these regions. Now let's move to capitals. So you see these capitals are also coming up as geographic data types. So let's see what we can get more from these capitals. So I select the capitals, I select this plus icon, and let's see what they say. They give us altitude, longitude, populations, population for different regions, population under different ages, under 5, under 18, the different time zones. So maybe I would just go with population. Okay. So this is the population I can see for these capital. So I'll title this as capital population. So now see how is it it's so easy to get data related to different countries. So if you deal with data that includes different cities, capitals, countries, you only have to select the data type, and Excel will provide more information by using this plus icon. So it is very easy now to import data into Excel that is related to different countries, cities, and the different data we get. We also see this options of stocks and currencies. So yeah, try to check out what data you are getting related to stocks, and in case you have any issues, I will create a video on how to use the stock data type also. So that's all for this video. I hope you like this video, and let me know in the comment section how you are using the geographic data type. I think it will be very interesting to see how people are using this data type. So let me know in the comment section. And if I like any comment, then maybe I take this scenario and make a video on that comment. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye bye.